Nobody's ignoring your posts, they're skipping them. Give me the next few minutes and I'll show you the one line that decides whether your post gets views or disappears in the feed. Plus, if you want the breakdown that shows you exactly why your first line is getting skipped and the simple fix that works even if you're starting from zero, drop hook in the comments and I'll send it to you. My name is Alwi Batarilan and I help people write first lines that actually stops the scroll, even if they've never written copy or felt confident posting before. It always starts with how your content opens. Every video I share is designed to give you something practical you can apply the same day. No fluff, no theory. So here's the real problem. Facebook isn't dead. Most posts just never earn attention in the first few seconds. And when that happens, nothing else matters. So what do most people do instead? They post more often, they add more value, they write longer captions, or they blame the algorithm, but that doesn't fix it. Because Facebook doesn't rank your effort. It watches the behavior of what your post does. If people don't pause, don't read, or don't tap see more, your post doesn't get shown to more people and your views literally flat lines. So here's the simple shift. First, stop trying to explain in the first line. Most people will open with something like, here are 5 ways to grow your Facebook page. Very boring, right? That's informative, but it doesn't interrupt anything. It blends into the feed. Second, use the first line to only interrupt the scroll. That's the entire objective. Instead, try something like you're posting at the wrong time and it's killing your reach. So essentially, it's the same topic, same value, but now there's tension. Now there's a real reason for people to keep reading, okay? And third, let the rest of the post do the explaining, okay? So that's the overall job of the very first line. The hook's job is to stop the scroll. The body's job is to deliver the value. When you separate these two functions, your post starts performing differently. And as you can see from some of my other examples, the first line almost has nothing to do with the actual image itself, which performs as a hook, like this one, right foot, left foot. When people see this, they are immediately thinking, what the heck is this about? Or this one right here is a very powerful hook. I just lost my virginity. Or this one, which goes against the grain. Do not trust the process. In my niche, make money online, people always talk about trusting the process. In my case, I'm going against it. So that becomes a hook. Do not trust the process, which forces people to stop and want to click more to read. Okay, and here are a couple of others, right? Something fun and playful. What happens in the bootcamp stays in the bootcamp. Eggs Benedict, it's like, what the heck does Eggs Benedict have to do with this post? But somehow I brought it in. Or this one right here, he just lost his virginity when a 19-year-old student of mine made his first high ticket. Giving you some examples. I see this play out with some of my students all the time. Now, last week, with a specific student who was getting 200 to 300 views per post, we didn't change her content. We didn't even change her posting schedule. We only changed her first lines. Within 5 days, her average views jumped to at least 1,800 per post, okay? Which is almost 5 to 8x. Same content, same audiences, different hook. Now, this works because attention always comes before value. Think about it, right? What made you read something is because it hooked your attention and now you got curious to want to read that full post, right? So just really think about it. Facebook's entire business model depends on keeping people on the platform. So the algorithm rewards content that actually stops the scrolls and holds that attention. And when that happens, you get more views. When your first line earns the pause, Facebook sees that as a very strong signal. It fundamentally means your content is engaging, so it shows your post to more people. And when that happens consistently, guys, reach becomes predictable. Now remember, if you want the breakdown that shows you exactly why your first line is getting skipped, and the simple fix that works even if you're starting from zero, drop hook in the comments and I'll gladly send it over to you. Because once you nail the first line, everything else gets seen. And that's when your content starts working for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.